guys, I'm Ellie and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be how I curl my hair. I keep getting questions about how I curl my hair, so I decided to just do a video on it and show you guys the very complicated process. It's really easy actually, and I really don't want to talk a lot in this intro, so let's just get started with the hairstyle. So I'm going to start off by showing you guys how I curl my hair. If you've watched any of my videos before, you've probably noticed that my hair is curled like 99% of the time. I just prefer it that way. I like my hair curled, and I've been curling it the same way with the same curling iron for like 5 years. Well, actually it's a curling wand, and I absolutely love this curling wand so much. This is the Conair U-Curl tapered curling wand. I just have it heating up right now. I heat mine up to 330 degrees. I swear by this curling wand. I think it's awesome. It works the best out of anything that I've ever tried. But anyways, so this is my natural hair. I washed it last night and then I slept on it kind of wet, not like soaking wet, but kind of damp, I guess. So the first step that I take when I'm going to curl my hair is I spray in some heat protectant. This one is by Tresemme. It's the Thermal Creations Heat Tamer, I guess is what it's called. I really like this one. I've been using it for a while now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that all through my hair. And then next what I do is I just split my hair into 2 sections, and I usually don't really split it in half. So what I do is I just take my hair and kind of part it from the middle of my eyebrows, I guess, and just kind of go around my head. And then I'm just gonna twist this around until I have this weird little bun thing and I look super attractive. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a section of hair. I guess this is a 1-inch section. I really don't know. Then I'm just going to take my curling wand and wrap the hair down. And I leave a little bit of the end out just so that it gives it more of an effortless look, I guess. Because this way it'll be more wavy instead of curly. And then after a few seconds, I'll just drop the hair and you have this nice curl. So now with the next section of hair, I just kind of work around my head, starting from the left side all the way around to the right side. So with the next section of hair, this one I went away from my face. I wrapped it away. And this one I'm going to wrap towards my face. And I don't even hold the pieces for even 10 seconds usually. It's probably more around like 7 seconds if you want to count. So now with this piece, I'm going to go away from my face just like I did with the first one. And now I'm going to go towards my face. So as you can see, it's kind of a pattern of going away and towards and away and towards. But if the piece is next to my face, like this front piece, I always go away from my face. But this way with the curls going different directions, it kind of adds more of like a messy tousle look instead of it all being just uniform. So now I just continue to curl all of the pieces around to the other side of my head. And if I get a piece like this that kind of didn't curl as well as I wanted it to, I'll just re-curl it. Okay, so now the bottom section is done and we're just going to leave that there. We're not going to run our hands through it or anything yet. I'm going to just take the top section down. So the way I do the top is pretty much the same as how I do the bottom. But on the top I have these like bangs. So I'll usually curl this first. And then usually on the top, I like to curl the first 2 pieces next to my face away from my face. So I basically just repeat the same process that I did on the bottom section, on the top section of my hair, all the way around my head. All of our curls finished and they look a little tight, but we need to loosen these up obviously. So what I'm going to do is just take my hairspray, and this is the Dove Style & Care Flexible Hold Hairspray. It says it's strong hold and it provides flexible hold and movement. I really like this hairspray because, like it says, it's really flexible and it makes your hair feel soft and like you really don't have anything in it. So I'm just going to spray this throughout my hair. And now is when you can just run your fingers through it because the curls have all cooled down now. And once I've got to this point, I'll usually do one of 2 things. I'll leave it like this and run out the door if I'm in a hurry to get somewhere, or if I have a little extra time and I want my curls to be a little more voluminous, if that makes sense. I'll just take some small sections kind of along my part line and I will curl those. If you want your hair to look more curly, this is the way to go. So I'll just go around my head and curl some small pieces. Okay, and then I'll probably just add a light misting of hairspray over top of those curls I just did. And I'll just run my fingers through again. That did add a little more curl. And that is all I do to get my everyday curls. These generally take me about 10 minutes to do in the morning. So for me, I feel like that's not very long. That's not a ton of effort you have to put into your hair. So if you're looking for super easy, fast, quick curls, this is the way to go. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it and if you want to see more hair videos from me, give this one a thumbs up. Also, I forgot to mention when I was curling my hair that every time I wash my hair, I'll curl it and then the curls will hold until the next time that I wash my hair, which is amazing to me. And I swear by this curling iron. If you've not tried it out, try it out. Maybe I'll link it down below for you guys. So anyway, I thought I'd just throw that out there, and maybe that's just my hair type, but maybe it's the amazing curling wand. I don't know. And if you have not already, make sure you turn on my post notifications so you can be notified every single time that I upload a new video, which is every weekend. So get on that. Always remember that I love you very, very, very much, and don't forget to subscribe if you would like to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Let's walk this way.